and welcome to today's grammar game show. I'm your host, Will, and Will, I am. And of course, let's not forget Leslie, our all-knowing voice in the sky.
Hello, everyone!
Tonight, we're going to ask you 3 questions about...
prepositions! Those little but oh so important words for talking about movement, place, and time.
Okay, now let's meet our contestants.
Hello all, my name's Sally.
And contestant number 2.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Liz.
Welcome to the grammar game show, both of you. Enjoy the experience. It could be your last.
Pardon?
I said, let's get going fast. And there's nothing suspicious about that. Our first round is a quick-fire round. Prepositions are often used to connect sentences with a time word. I'm going to tell you a time word, and I want to know the preposition. Here goes. 4 o'clock.
At 4 o'clock.
Correct!
2016.
In 2016.
Correct!
Friday.
On Friday.
Correct!
Night.
At night.
Correct!
Morning.
In the morning.
Correct!
Christmas.
At Christmas.
Correct!
Leslie.
Excellent work! There are 3 basic prepositions of time. At is used for times of the day. For example, at 4 a.m. On is used for days, such as on Sunday or on Christmas Day. In is used for periods, such as months, years, and seasons. But be careful, some times are irregular, such as at night.
There's nothing irregular about what you do at night, Leslie. We've all occasionally cried in a ball on the floor. Every night, right, Sally?
What are you trying to say?
Nothing. You just look like the type.
What?
I said, make sure your answers are right. And there's nothing suspicious about that. Liz has 6 points, but you only have 3. On to round 2, and this round is a picture round. Look at the picture and tell me where each person is. 1 point for every correct preposition.
He's in the pool.
Correct!
But he's also at the pool.
Also correct!
His fingers in his nose.
Correct!
They're walking on the bridge.
Correct!
Leslie.
Good! Prepositions are used to describe the positions of things to other things. Words like in, on, at, over, and between, among others, tell us where things are or where they are moving to. Unfortunately, English has a lot of prepositions which need to be learned. So study hard!
Well done, Liz. You did the best there, so you can have another 4.5 points. How are you doing?
To be honest, I'm just really thrilled to be here.
Aw.
I never thought I'd get to go on to a quiz program.
Nor did we. Especially with that face.
What?
I said no more prepositions of place. And there's nothing suspicious about that. On to our third round. Another group of prepositions is called dependent prepositions. They are the ones which must follow a verb, noun, or adjective to connect them to a sentence. Listen to these sentences and tell me why each one is wrong. She's always been good to speaking in public.
At. Good at speaking in public.
Correct.
I take a lot of pride to working hard.
In. Pride in working hard.
Correct.
You should never rely for other people.
On. Rely on people.
Correct.
Leslie!
Good job! Dependent prepositions are the prepositions which follow a noun, verb, or adjective in order to connect it to a sentence. Good at, pride in, rely on. Be careful though. Some words can have more than one preposition, and the choice may determine the meaning.
And that brings us to the end of today's grammar game show. Let's count out the points. And the winner is Liz with points. Well done. Here's what you've won.
It's a thumbs up!
We'll see you again next week where you can play for another prize. And Sully, you managed to answer quite a few questions, which surprised me because when I first saw you, I thought you were incredibly stupid.
What?
I said I thought you were incredibly stupid.
Oh, good. That's what I thought you said.
Bye-bye. Release the octopi. It looks like we'll need another contestant. Thanks for joining us. Say goodbye, Leslie.
Au revoir, Leslie!
See you next time.